In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Revolut on Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly assign Revolut to your Apple Wallet and consequently Apple Pay. So to set this up and use your Revolut cards alongside Apple Pay, open the application. In here, switch over to the Cards tab. So choose Cards at the top, and if you already have a card that you want to assign to an Apple Wallet, tap on it. But if you still don't, you will have to choose the Get Card option, choose between a physical or virtual card, and after you customize the card and give it a name, it will appear on the list ready to use. So after you tap on any of the cards that you see, all that you have to do is scroll down at the bottom and see if you have the option to add to Apple Wallet. If you have this option below any card, you will be able to assign it to a digital wallet. Of course, this is going to appear if you are using an iPhone, aka an iOS device. If you are on Android, you will see the Add to Google Wallet option instead. But the process is generally the same. So all that you have to do is choose the option to add to an Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, depending on which device you have. Once you tap on this option, you will be immediately redirected into the Apple Wallet and you will see this message, Add card to Google Pay. Your card will be available in Wallet. Confirm the name and the card number. If everything looks okay, tap Next at the top right corner of the screen, and it's going to offer to set the card as the default one, meaning that it will always prefer to use this one way when making purchases. And after this is done, it is going to be linked under your wallet. Now, if you want to make contactless in-store purchases, make sure that your phone has NFC capabilities and hold your phone physically near the card reader. The Revolut card will be used to issue that payment. And you can make purchases online as well when you choose to pay with Apple Pay during checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Revolut on Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.